Alright, so a little bit of history. Itong subdivision na to, it started its LOI and pre-selling on September 2019. So matagal-tagal na din to. And during that time, it was pandemic, 2020, nagka-pandemic. And nasimulan nila yung mga units nila around mga 2021 until today. So ayan no, kung titingnan natin, sobrang laki talaga ng subdivision na to. Kasi when we look at here, dyan, ayan, sa bundok na yan, dinidevelop pa nila yan kasi part pa din yan ng Georgia Villa subdivision. As what I have said a while ago, mga 1,200 plus units yung i-build nila dito. Alright, so by the way, ito na pala yun. This unit is the Sienna unit. It's a 2-story duplex unit. So ito yung design niya ng 2-story duplex. Hindi pa nila natapos but sooner or later baka ipapakita na nila sa atin yung interior. But as of now, ito yung unit na yon. It's a 2-story duplex unit and it has a 50 square meter floor area, 25 square meter sa baba at saka 25 square meter sa taas. And yung lot area niya is 65 square meter.